Hey there, this is Jamie with BarEye. In this video, we're going to show you how you can now use BarEye's printable report in case, in addition to looking at results online in the cloud, you wish to print out reports. So perhaps you can have a handout during a staff meeting or just have something on paper if you prefer sometimes to view them in that way. This update was a result of some feedback from clients. So as always, we encourage you, if you're not happy with something or you have a suggestion for how to improve our process or reports, we'd love to hear from you. Can't guarantee it will happen immediately or at all, but certainly we'll consider all requests carefully and fit that into our kind of future development plans. Anyway, so this is about printing out the report. So we're going to go to reports. So on the left-hand menu here from the browser side, we'll hit on reports. Make sure on the main summary reports, hit loss and accountability. This report does take a little second to load here. If you wish to extend the length of the timeline graph here, you can go ahead and do that. You want to do that before you print it. Similarly, if most people are interested in looking at the items that have the biggest loss at wholesale. So the first change is that we're now displaying around 20 of these, and now you'll need to sort. So at the moment, this is alphabetical order by category. So let's sort them by the ones that are missing the most. So here where it says loss and wholesale, go ahead and click to sort. You'll see the items that are missing the smallest amount, and then click it one more time. And then we'll see the items that are missing the largest amount. Our old friends Jameson and Jaeger on this particular report. This is actually just some test data. But once you've done that, go ahead and press Control P or File Print or on a Mac. Follow the print steps, and then you can either save as PDF if you have a PDF printer installed, or print to your printer. But this is a preview here, and you'll see the top 20 items as well as the headline information from your last cycle. And then down the middle here, you can see a timeline of how the recent results compare and how your accountability score is affecting your loss at wholesale. Hope you find this helpful, and thank you as always for watching.